As you can see on my screen where the arrow is pointing to, I have a little bit above 125,000 USDT to do derivatives demo trading on ByBit. Yes, it is real. Let me refresh the page so you can see it. So if I refresh it now, you'll still see that the balance will still be 125,800 USDT. And also at the bottom side of the screen, if I tap on trade, for spot trading, you can see I have about 49,500 USDT right there to do demo spot trading. And if I also refresh the page, you also see that it is still 49,500 USDT. Now in this video, I will show you how you can set up your demo trading account on ByBit, and I'll also tell you everything you need to know about the funds, the withdrawals, and a lot more. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you don't miss any important information. Now, in case you don't have a ByBit account, you can use my referral link, which is in the description of this video, to create a ByBit account, and you'll be getting 5% discount on all your trading fees. Now to how to do demo trading on ByBit. As you can see, I'm on the home page on the ByBit app, and the first thing you need to do is to tap on where you have more, where the arrow is pointing to, and right here you'll be seeing the different things that you can do on the ByBit app. Then you come right here where the arrow is pointing to and tap on demo trading. I am going to be seeing this on your screen where it says, "Welcome to demo trading. Here is over $100,000 worth of bonuses for you to start demo trading with." And then you tap on start now. And then at the top of your screen, you are going to be seeing demo funds have been successfully added to your account. And then you tap on trade. And right here, you are going to be seeing the funds that you can use for your demo trading. Now, you need to take note of something right here. The way you trade using the live account on ByBit is also the same way you trade using the demo account, except that you can only pick cross margin and there is no isolated margin for the demo trading. And also you get to pick your leverage, and also you enter your parameters and you take your trade. Now I'm going to try and take a trade using these demo funds just to show you guys an example. Now the first thing you need to do is to select your leverage. So where the arrow is pointing to, that's where you tap, and then you can pick whatever leverage you want to use for the trade. Now for BTC, you can pick from 1x to 100x leverage. Now don't forget I said you can only pick cross margin, so it's already on cross margin. And then the next thing is to select your order type, whether limit or market, and I'm going to be picking market order type right here. And then the next thing is to enter the amount you want to use for the trade. So let's say I want to use 50% of the funds I have there for the trade. You will just move the slider to 50% to the middle. If you want to use 75%, maybe to where you have 75%. If you want to use 100%, that is everything you have in your wallet, you can just put it to 100%. But let's say I just want to use 50%, you're going to just put it to the middle. And right here where you have take profit and stop loss, you can select it to set your take profit and your stop loss. But I won't be doing that in this video. And then once you set your take profit and your stop loss, then you can just come here and click on buy or long. And right here, you are going to be seeing the summary of your trade, and then just come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on confirm. And then at the bottom side of the screen, you'll be seeing the position of the trade you are currently taking. So you can see that we are longing BTC USDT. You're going to be seeing the position size, that is the amount of BTC we are longing, that's 22 Bitcoin. And you see the entry price, you see the mark price, you also see your P&L, that is the profit or loss, and then you also see the estimated liquidation price. So it's just exactly the same thing as the live trading. Like I said, the difference is that you don't get to pick isolated margin, you can only pick cross margin. Now, in case you don't know how to do derivatives trading or futures trading on ByBit, I already have a video on that on my channel. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, aside from derivatives demo trading on ByBit, you also have the spot demo trading. Now, before I show you the spot demo trading, if you not like this video, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I drop a lot of content on crypto trading and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, to go to the demo spot trading, you tap on trade at the bottom center of the screen. I can see right here that I have about 49,500 USDT to trade. Now, the way you also do the live spot trading is also the same way you do the demo spot trading on ByBit. There is no difference at all. Now, I have a full guide on how to do spot trading on ByBit also. The link to that video will also be in the description below. So in case you don't know how to do spot trading or you don't know how to do derivatives trading before, like I said, I have videos on these tutorials. The links to those videos will be in the description below. Now, you might want to ask me that, can you withdraw the demo funds? Now, the answer is no. You can't withdraw the demo funds. Now, the demo funds are only for you to practice and maybe try out your strategies on ByBit, whether for derivatives or spot trading. Now, for the spot trading, you have more funds than the 49,500 USDT right here. And if you want to see the other funds, just go right here to where you have asset at the bottom side of the screen. Now, right here, you're going to be seeing all the funds you can use for the spot trading. You can see that for USDT, I have $49,500. For USDC, I have $50,000. For BTC, I have one BTC, which is equal to $25,900. And then for ETH, I have one ETH, which is equal to $1,648. So these are the various funds you can have for your demo spot trading on ByBit. Also, you can request for more funds in case you lose the demo funds. Now, to do that, you tap on request demo funds where the arrow is pointing to. But at the top of the screen, you'll be seeing a message saying you cannot add demo funds unless remaining balance is less than 10,000 USDT. So you have to have less than 10,000 USDT before you can request for more demo funds. So this is how you can do demo trading on ByBit, whether for derivatives or spot trading. Now, if you have any questions about the ByBit demo trading, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any video you want me to make, let me also know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye.